Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar. A little bit different song here. We have first this artist called Keen V. I believe that is how you pronounce that in French, or yeah, somewhat close. The song is called LAMOUR, okay? So yes, I mentioned French. This is for all you Frenchy speaking guys out there. And yeah, first time I heard about this artist, and yeah, I just came across him on my YouTube flow there. So anyway, let's dive into this dance song actually. That is also a bit different. You're gonna learn this on guitar. So anyway, everything is possible. So let's go over to the chords. And as you can see, no need for any capo here. Let's go over the chords. And we have 4 main chords here. So we're gonna start with those. You're gonna play C, and that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have D next. That will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have E minor next. That goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally we have the B minor. And that's a bar chord, so you place the index finger on the 2nd fret, you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. Then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. I said finally because that's the 4 main chords, but we also have this little transition part that takes us in between the verse and the chorus, and there we have to add on 3 more chords. So first A minor 7, that will be open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the GB chord. That will be 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And finally we've got the C major 7. It's very similar to the C, you just lift off the 1st fret B string and get that open. That gives us 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so there we have all the chords. Now let's go into the main pattern here. We need to learn the strumming pattern, so let's go into C. And if you grab that chord, 1 string around will sound like this. Okay, so the first part is down, up, down, clap, down, down. So down, up, down, clap, down, down. Okay, so down, up, down, clap, down, down. That's the first part. The second part is either to end with a clap or with a down. And I'm gonna teach you both ways depending on where you are in the song. So down, up, down, clap, down, down, and then an ending of clap or a down. So let's start the song, and we're gonna play the main pattern first. You're gonna play C, 1 full round plus part 1. So that means down, up, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, down. And remember, this string pattern is my interpretation of how you play this. I said in the beginning, it's a dance song, so I've got one string pattern that fits the vibe here, and also, yeah, it's correct when it comes to the timing, switch of chords and everything. So that will work, but maybe you can find some other strumming. That's okay. Let's go into this one. C, 1 full round plus part 1. And then you go over to D and play just 1 down as the ending of part 2. Then you go into the E minor and play in the same way as you played C, 1 full round plus part 1. And then you play the B minor, just 1 down, in the same way as you play D. That will end 1 round. This is the main pattern. I'm going to give you a couple of rounds here. Let's go. And just before you break into the chorus, you're gonna play this 3 chords, A minor, then G, B, and then C major 7, just 1 down per chord, like this. big pulse after C major. Once like this, and that is kind of a bridge part into the chorus. That happens about, let's see, 43 seconds in. That's the first time, and the second time, I believe that's the last time, it happens 1 minute and 48 seconds in. So you understand what part I'm talking about. So pause, and then starts the chorus. And speaking of the chorus, yes, it's very same as the main pattern pretty much, but here we can play around a little bit with it. So the starting is the same. You're gonna play C, 1 full round plus part 1, and then D, 1 down, and then you can go 2 ways. Either you'll play E minor, 1 full round, and B minor, 1 full round. That's the first way you can go. So it will sound like this. And the ending here of every strumming around will be with the clap here when it comes to the E minor and the B minor parts. You can also play, and sometimes it's played like C and D in the same way, but the E minor here, you're gonna play down, up, down, clap, down, down, clap, and then that's 1 round. And then the second round you play down, up, down, clap, down, and then you switch to B minor and play down, clap. So that is one way you can go, and that's played sometimes. So the C and D is the same, and then when you come to E minor, it will sound like this. So the B minor comes in earlier and then let's say in the main pattern, because you're gonna bring in a down and clap as well. So that is up to you. You have the different parts now to handle this song from Keen V or something like that, L'AMOUR. And it's a dance song. It's nice to try something different sometimes, not only your typical guitar song. So give it a shot if you like this song. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, play tuned.